You already know what it is. We are back on the channel today. Last video I did, I filmed this look here. If you can see, it's so pretty. If you guys were tuned into the last video, you will see that I did this makeup look for you. So double check and go hit that video. Make sure you watch it. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I put in my ponytail. So honestly, I don't have much time. We're just gonna get it started and I'm gonna show you what we gotta do. Alright, so for this video, you're gonna need your hair. I got this hair from the beauty supply store. It's a drawstring ponytail in the color 1B, and I'm pretty sure it's 30 inches. Yeah, have that. I'm gonna be using some kind of gel. I'll be using Eco Styler. You're gonna need a regular brush to brush up the rest of your hair and a toothbrush to do your baby hairs. And you're gonna need some hair ties. So let's just go ahead and get started. This is honestly quick and easy. You can do it exactly how you want to do it. There's a lot of styles that you can do with the ponytail. I could do a low ponytail, I could do a high ponytail, ponytail to the side. But in this video specifically, I'm going to be doing a high ponytail up here, and I'm just going to let it hang down my back. First thing I'm going to do is wet my brush because I need to make sure I can brush my hair up, get that nice and wet. And I'm just going to start sculpting where I want my ponytail to be. You want to brush the hair as flat as you possibly can because ultimately it's going to determine how sleek your ponytail is. So I like to pull the inside of my hair and brush the outside, if that makes sense, so that I know all these pieces are as stretched out as they possibly can get, and our hair will be flat. After I brushed up my hair, I'm going to obviously need a hair tie and some gel. So I'm going to take some of this Eco Styler, put it on my hands, and secure all the ends. Just rub it all the way through so we can get a nice flat foundation. And then I'm going to go back on my brush and brush it up. As tight as I can, because what we're going to do with this hair is put it into a bun. That way we can put our ponytail on top. Now I'm just going to pull this to really tighten it up and take my bun, twist my hair as tight as I can. Into the smallest bun I can possibly make on my head and secure that with a hair tie as well. Might be as tight as I can get it. So I'm just gonna go back in with my brush and brush up all these flyaways. And I'm gonna need a scarf so I can lay this hair down while we work on the ponytail. Take some more gel in my toothbrush so we can get a precise flat look. Got my scarf. I'm gonna lay this down. So the ponytail has a drawstring on it here, and what we need to do right now is get all these loose hairs out of the way, take the net off the ponytail, and undo this drawstring, loosen it up a bit. So you just pull this And that's how you open it up to be wide enough. Now, this is the important part we have to work on. Take those out first. This hair looks so good. So what we're gonna do basically is take this ponytail and lay it over top of our bun. It also has these clips for us to insert into our hair to secure the ponytail, and then that's when we'll take the drawstring and pull it tight. So let me show you what we're gonna do. First, I'm gonna put in the top part here. So move my scarf out of the way, take the clip, and I'm gonna secure it underneath the bun. And you're gonna do the same with the clip that you wanna put in the back. So fold it over top of my bun, make sure it's all covered, and like we did with the last one, secure it under the bun. Now that that is nice and flat, we're gonna take our drawstring here and pull it as tight as possible so that our bun is completely covered. And just like that, look, we now have a ponytail. Take our scarf off and see what we're working with underneath, because now I gotta move to my baby hairs. All right, now you see our hair looks nice and flat here. This is matching, it's the right color. I'm so satisfied. Baby hairs, here we go. So just take my toothbrush, wet it up, and brush down the hairs I want to be my baby hairs. Some sideburns, so we can get them right too. Sometimes I like to leave my baby hairs down like this, so it's just like really natural, but I'm gonna swoop them today. Into the next. And believe it or not, y'all, that is really it. Oh, and a lot of times, yeah, so if you really want this look to be secure, I don't want my drawstring to ever pop out. So I'm gonna take the drawstring and a small section of my hair underneath the ponytail hair, and I'm gonna wrap the drawstring around and then take the ponytail hair and go around that as well so the drawstring will never pop out. And you can just put a bobby pin in there. I'm gonna put 2 just to be 100% safe. And that's the whole look. That's it. That's all we had to do. Real simple. It took me all of what, 15 minutes to do this? And it would take you guys the same. I know I got a loose hair on my face somewhere. It's touching my eyeball. But that's it. You know, I could droop my sweater over the shoulder like this, but it is a kids party, so we're gonna put it where it should be, out here. Dang, I almost forgot to put the finishing touch on there. What? Who are you? Who are you? Look at my glasses. Ooh. 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 God. Hey. God. Swinging. Yes, my ponytail swinging. God. Ponytail swinging. Ponytail swinging. God. And that concludes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I'm giving you life here with these baby hairs, this 30-inch and a nice high Ari ponytail. Make sure you check out my latest video. Like I said, see this eye look that I'm giving you, this face, and I'm sorry, and Give me a second. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please share this video so that everyone can see what work I've been doing for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please come back, hit the subscribe button. We'll definitely have you here, and I'll have some new Forever exclusives coming up soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.